In this video, we are following up on what books look like when they're printed from KDP. Today, I actually have a standard color prompted journal that I'm going to share with you. This is actually one of the first ones that I did for my family. Okay, this is a gratitude journal. Let me actually open it up for you so you can actually see what's going on. Okay, so inside of here, when I found out you could do color, I went for it. Okay, so this is a gratitude journal. I published this in 2022. You can see my first entry was April 29th, 2022. Mom, what am I grateful for? Nice weather and family time. My second child, I have video games. My teenager, Coke Zero. Okay, so this, let me pull to a page that you can see a little bit different because, okay, do you see? So standard, this is a pastel book. So I published things pastel in here because I wanted it to be written. I wanted them to be able to write in here on top of it, okay? So I haven't really had any trouble like publishing with color. I feel like it's nice. I feel like it gets the job done. And one benefit that I really like about this is that I can test something out without it costing me anything. And so there's so many of you that want to do color that are nervous because you want it to look like a magazine. And there's other places for that. There's a website called Blurb. There's places overseas. But like, I want to challenge you just to test something out for free before you make really big investments into something like that. Because depending on the project, printing standard color could be really fun. Okay, so this is literally 8.5 by 11. It is a matte hardcover, and it is just a book for my family. It was just like a personal project. So I also want to challenge you to make sure you're doing personal projects because it helps you with your creativity and it gives you more ideas. And there was a reading journal I did with my kids. It was for them. I'll actually ask them if I can share it with you guys. And it still sells. And it was something we made for ourselves. Okay. So let me know what questions you have about standard color and even, a matte print for printing. And I'd love to do another video for you. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.